So my name is Roland Brandli and I'm a strategic product manager for our reconciliation products at SmartStream. So the key difference is that the volumes have increased drastically. 3 years ago, people would predominantly still pay with cash. Nowadays, everyone uses contactless over phone. So the amount of transactions has increased hugely. The prime challenge for these banks is obviously dealing with 10, 20, 30 times more transactions than you had previously, which poses problems for systems. But also at the same time, the size of those transactions, the amount of information on those transactions has increased at the same time. So banks are really facing challenges being able to put controls around these huge data sets, both in terms of volume and complexity. Well, in many cases, a lot of banks don't have that transactional detail at its very lowest level. So that is the first step as a bank that I have to do, is have control at the base, at the what you could call atomic level of being a transaction. That gives me then flexibility to adapt my processes. But if I don't have that yet, I'm going to have a problem because I'm going to have to first of all create that basis. Well, I think on the regulatory landscape, obviously we've seen a lot of tightening around payment systems, around things like AML, KYC. That will continue, but it will move into the digital space because now people are increasingly doing payments over their mobile phones or with their credit cards. So we'll probably see central banks wanting to enforce KYC, AML rules around that. But at the same time, you'll see a lot of things coming around fees, invoicing, the speed of dispute resolution, where I think the regulatory authorities across the globe will be beginning to make changes. So I think the leaders will be, first of all, the people that understand data at a holistic level. It will be companies like SmartStream who do operations in over 100 countries across the globe, so we can see what are the commonalities. And then obviously it's the people who understand how to provide solutions that can be not only implemented fast, but can be adjusted very rapidly as well as things change.